Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadisiac. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different from my other videos, kind of similar because I'm going to be giving you guys tips and product suggestions, but we're going to be talking about the topic of anemia. I have been documenting my anemia journey since 2016 and how it has affected my natural hair. I'm still going through this journey of like trying to grow my edges long because they are shorter than the rest of my hair, and as of late my nape has been acting up as well. All of these products, they are bomb. I've been using them for years and they're just like tried and true products that you should have or you should know about. So if you're anemic and you're going through it with your hair right now and you're looking for good products, then you definitely want to stay tuned. I'll put up a picture right here because I specifically remember this and I was really self-conscious about it. You guys can see the difference then versus now. Like, my edges are not as bad, and it's because of these products, because of the supplements that I take, but they were really bad at one point. Now at that point I would just wear my hair like that, but there is actually a product that you can use to fill in thinning balding areas. So the product that I'm talking about is Toppik, and this video is in partnership, but I have worked with them before. I love their product and I think that it's brilliant if you are struggling with hair loss, thinning from anemia. Like, this is something that you can actually use that works, that will really help to like boost your self-esteem. So this is what the product looks like. Mine is in the shade black because of course my hair is black, but they have a ton of other different shades. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to use this product. And we also have the fiber hold spray. So this is what you would use after using the hair building fibers, just to set it and to make it last longer. Alright you guys, and it is that simple. So you can see that my edges look a lot fuller. It still makes a huge difference if you just spray this a few times on those like thinning areas. And if you are especially self-conscious about this, if it is like interfering with you wearing your hair up in different updos, like, just try it, you guys. Like the #1 reparative product. It is Jamaican black castor oil. So if you have watched any video talking about how to grow your edges back or how to repair damaged hair, then you have heard about Jbco, Jamaican black castor oil. I use it every single week. I do an overnight pre-poo on my natural hair and I focus this one on my edges specifically. You just take it on your fingertips and you massage it on the areas. So that's what I do once a week. I just massage on my edges around the area. Also, I do my nape as well. So I have been doing this scalp massaging with Jamaican black castor oil for years now. I don't know when I started exactly, but it's been a while, and I'll put that picture up again, or maybe a different one. That's what my edges look like before, and you guys saw what my edges look like now without the Toppik. So a huge difference. It definitely works in my opinion. So this next oil, it's not as popular as Jamaican black castor oil, but I have been using this for a while now and I love it. So this is the Main Choice Multivitamin Hair Growth Oil. The ingredients are very, very interesting. So I'll read off a few. There's soybean oil as the first one, followed by castor oil. So this has castor oil, which is great because if you're not comfortable using something so thick in your hair, then you can just use this. There is sweet almond oil, rice bran extract, rosemary extract, Rosemary is an essential oil, so that actually helps to like stimulate your hair follicles to encourage hair growth, so that's good that that's in there. There's sunflower oil, tea tree oil, which is an antiseptic, really good for the scalp. There's also vitamin D, vitamin C, aloe vera leaf juice, biotin. I mean, the ingredients are amazing. It has like a combination of a lot of different things that are known to help with hair growth. I have been loving this oil, and you guys know this if you've been watching my videos. So I also use this once a week when I do the Jamaican black castor oil scalp massage. I put this all over my actual scalp, so I focus this all over my scalp, massage it in, and I leave it in overnight with the Jamaican black castor oil. The product that I use on the length of my hair is coconut oil, but this oil has castor oil and coconut oil, so you can really just do everything with this oil, to be honest. And these last two products that I'm going to show you guys are like conditioning treatments. Now the first one is actually a protein treatment. So this is the Nothing But Intense Healing Mask. If you have been watching my videos, you know that this is my go-to protein treatment. I've been using this since the beginning of my natural hair journey, and I am now 8 years natural. Now when you're anemic, you're gonna notice that your hair switches up. Besides like the whole edges situation, like thinning and stuff, you're gonna notice that the length of your hair also acts a little bit differently, and it also looks differently. My hair was definitely feeling a lot weaker than usual, and also it just looked like a looser curl pattern. So protein treatments are definitely a necessity to help strengthen the hair, and they also help with curl definition as well. This protein treatment actually has hydrolyzed keratin, which is the most strengthening protein that you can find out there, because our hair and also our nails are made out of keratin. So this is the Camille's Naturals Coconut Water Penetrating Hair Treatment. Now out of all of these products, I would say this is the most expensive, but it is worth it. It is a great deep conditioning treatment that will really get your curls right. This has moisturizing ingredients. It has hydrolyzed keratin within the last line of ingredients, so it's not going to be too strengthening like the protein treatment. It's not a protein treatment. This is moisturizing. Let me just tell you that this deep conditioner, every time I use it, every single time, once I rinse it out, my curls are hydrated, they're strengthened, and they're defined. So this is definitely a great deep conditioner to have. It will make your curls look amazing. So these are my must-have products, both to conceal and repair the hair. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.